Here given ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to CD. Its diagonal intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Got the question? Given ABCD is a trapezium. With AB parallel to CD, these two parallel. The diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at the point O. The diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at the point O. Then we have to prove that OA by OB equal to OC by OD. Correct? The solution ABCD be a trapezium with AB parallel to CD. The diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O. We have to prove that OA by OB equal to OC by OD. Got it? समझ में आया? ये है क्वेश्चन. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. Quick. जल्दी लिखो.
Written, sir. Written, sir.
Okay, enough. Now for this you need a construction. So what will be construction is a, for this you need a construction. Construction is what? Through the point E, a line segment parallel to AB is drawn intersecting BC at E. That is AB parallel to OE is drawn. So through the point O, a line segment OE parallel to AB is drawn such that E lies on BC. This is the construction. Through the point E, a line segment OE parallel to AB is drawn such that E lies on AB. Write down, quick.
Written, sir.
Written, sir.
Okay, now you see the proof. Now you see the proof. How to prove it? Proof is here AB parallel to CD and OE parallel to AB. Therefore, what will be? AB parallel to CD parallel to OE. this parallel to this and this parallel to this, though ultimately all the three are parallel. Now go to the triangle CAB. In triangle CAB, OE parallel to AB. Now in triangle CAB, we have OE parallel to AB. Therefore, let us apply BPT. CO by OA. CO by OA equal to C by EB. C by EB by BPT. One number. Correct? Write down.
Written, sir.
Done, sir.
Now again you see, in triangle BCD, OE parallel to CD. OE parallel to CD. Again we can apply BPT. So BPT will start from here. Now BO by DO equal to B by EC. So again in triangle BCD, we have OE parallel to CD. Therefore, BO by OD equal to B by C. This also by BPT. This also by BPT. Correct? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you see one thing you remember. Here you see C by B and here B by C. These two are reciprocal, no? So let us try to make this to same. Make this also reciprocal. So what will happen here? It will be C by B. Both sides reciprocal. So it will be OD by OB. And now you give this one as 2 number. हम दोनों तरफ रेसिप्रोकल कर दिया टू मेक दिस टू सेम. दोनों तरफ रेसिप्रोकल कर दिया. Now from 1 and 2 you see this and this same. So ultimately what will happen? This and this also will be same. Correct? Hence from 1 and 2 we get, hence from 1 and 2 we get CO by OA. CO by OA equal to OD by OB. तो 1 और 2 से कंपेयर किया तो this equal to this. Now you see your proof. Proof is given. What to prove here? AO by, proof is, we have to prove AO by OB and OC by OD. We need to prove this. So see what is the difference between these two. Here OD by OB, CO by OA, but I need AO by OB. So we can interchange these two and we can interchange these two also. So therefore what can I write? CO by OD equal to OA by OB. If we do cross multiplication here, if we do cross multiplication here, both will remain same. समझ में आ गया बात क्या बोला? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down quick. See, ABCD is a quadrilateral, but we will draw in the shape of trapezium because we are going to prove it trapezium. A, B, C, D, OC and OD intersect each other at O such that OA by OB equal to OC by OD, then we have to prove this is a trapezium. That means we have to prove this parallel to this. अगर हम ये दोनों को पैरेलल दिखा दिया तो ट्रेपेजियम बन जाएगा. Now see the solution. Solution. ABCD is a quadrilateral. The diagonals AC and BD intersect at O such that OA by OB equal to OC by OD. We have to prove that ABCD is a ट्रेपेजियम. हमें प्रूफ करना है ABCD एक ट्रेपेजियम. आर क्लियर?
Written, sir.
तो फिर से हमें कंस्ट्रक्शन करना पड़ेगा. कंस्ट्रक्शन क्या होगा देखो. Same construction, OE parallel to AB is drawn. OE parallel to AB is drawn. Correct? But we don't know whether it is parallel to CD or not. हमें अभी प्रूफ करना है it is parallel to CD also. So construction, through the point O, a line segment OE parallel to AB is drawn such that E lies on BC. So this is the construction. Written? Write down quick.
Written, sir. Written, sir.
Okay, now see the proof. How to prove it. See now. First of all, you see, in triangle CAB, OE parallel to AB. Therefore, we can apply BPT here as CO by OA equal to C by B. So proof, in triangle CAB we have OE parallel to AB. Therefore, CO by OA equal to C by B by BPT. One number. By BPT we get this. Again we are given, again it is given that OA by OB equal to OC by OD. We are given this. This we have got by BPT and this we are given. Now let us compare this and this. You see now here OC by OA. This is OC by OA, but here we have to find out OC by OA. So this OA, this and this will interchange. So what can I write now this one? OD by OB equal to OC by OA. Two number. Can you write? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you say this and this same. So from 1 and 2 we can say that this and this also same. Hence from 1 and 2, hence from 1 and 2 we get CE by BE equal to OD by OB. So from 1 and 2 we get CE by BE equal to OD by OB. So go to the diagram. CE by B equal to OD by OB. So we can apply now converse of BPT, but it should be BE by C and OB by OD. So let us make it again reciprocal. This implies that BE by C equal to OB by OD. दोनों तरफ रेसिप्रोकल कर दिया. करेक्ट? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to the triangle BCD. In triangle BCD we get BE by C equal to BO by OD. So by converse of BPT we can say that OE parallel to CD. Can you say or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in triangle BCD, by converse of BPT, we get OE parallel to CD. तो by converse of BPT हमें मिल गया OE parallel to CD. So thus what we have got, thus OE parallel to AB, it was by construction, and now we have got OE parallel to CD. Hence what we have got, AB parallel to CD. अब ये दोनों से हमें पता चल गया AB parallel to CD, and therefore ABCD is a trapezium. और one pair of opposite side parallel हो गया, तो ये फाइनली जाके ये ट्रेपेजियम बन गया. क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
कोई डाउट है तो बताओ. If you have any doubt, then you can tell me. किसी का कोई प्रॉब्लम?
No.
Similarity of two triangles. See how two triangles become similar. So two triangles will be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. If their corresponding angles are equal. Number 2, their corresponding sides are proportional. As like as polygon, because triangle is also a polygon, so two triangles will be similar. ये कौन है? काकोली भारद्वाज. माइक बंद करो तुम्हारा. Two triangles will be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional, as like as polygon, because triangle is also a polygon. That means suppose ABC and PQR are two triangle. ABC and PQR are two triangle. Let ABC and PQR are two triangles. If number one, if angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R, and number two, AB by PQ, A के साथ P, B के साथ Q, so AB by PQ should be equal to BC by QR. You should maintain the order. Should be equal to AC by PR. AP, BQ, so AB by PQ, BC by QR, AC by PR. If angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to Q, and angle C equal to R, and AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR, then triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR. अगर तीनों एंगल इक्वल हो गया और साइड प्रोपोर्शनल हो गया तो दोनों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हो जाएगा. एंड यू शुड मेंटेन द ऑर्डर. जैसे एंगल ए, एंगल पी, एंगल बी, एंगल क्यू, एंगल सी, एंगल आर, देन ए बी, पी क्यू, बी सी, क्यू आर, ए सी, पी आर. करेक्ट? करेक्ट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
अगर ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो गया तो दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? तीनों एंगल इक्वल होना पड़ेगा और तीनों साइड प्रोपोर्शनल होना पड़ेगा, तब जाकर ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होगा. तो दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होने का मतलब ये होना ही पड़ेगा. बट समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस, how many parts are there? 6 parts, 3 angles, 3 sides. That means total 6 part used here. कभी कभी इनके जैसे कॉन्ग्रुएंसी में भी होते हैं, कभी कभी 3 पार्ट अगर इक्वल हो गया तो भी ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाते थे. मालूम है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो सिमिलैरिटी में भी ऐसा कुछ कंडीशन है. मतलब पूरा 6 पार्ट का रिलेशन हो गया ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है. 3 पार्ट का रिलेशन आ गया तो भी ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हो सकते हैं. सो दिस कंडीशंस आर कॉल्ड सिमिलैरिटी क्राइटेरिया. अगर 3 पार्ट में कोई रिलेशन आ गया तो बाकी 3 पार्ट ऑटोमेटिकली सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगा. सो नाउ विल फॉलो द सिमिलैरिटी क्राइटेरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. सिमिलैरिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. नाउ यू सी criteria for similarity of triangles. Criteria for similarity of triangles. समझ में आ गया ना बात?